All right, let's start with basic of array. So what is array? Array is a data structure that holds a collection of items. That item can be a number or some string or even array as well. Okay, so why we are learning it? Because we will use this data structure a lot during our coding journey. Okay, so let's do some coding. So in this lecture we will go through like how to create an array, how to access the element, and the basic method over that array. Okay, so these are the basic things we will use a lot during the data structure and algorithm courses. Okay, so first thing is that how to create the, so we will use a square bracket create array. Let's say arr1 equals to this will create a array. Now let's say if we want to add items in it, we can write it here like 4 or 9. These are the things, and we can console it. Let's call this r1. Here we can see we have array with these things. Okay. Now second way is that we can use constructor function. Let's say let's create another array arr2, that we will use constructor function here, and we can pass the length well here. So let's say the length is 6, and let's say if we want that every element should be 0 or let's say -1, so let's write it here fill with -1. So now console this. Okay, so this, now we have element with 6 size and element is -1. Now how we will assess this? To assess, we have 0 base indexing. So at assess first element we will use 0. The first element will present at 0 index, second element present at first index, so on and so forth. So let's comment this. Let's say if we want to assess the fourth, it's present, that is the third element, and it is present at second index. So we'll write it here like this. It will print out. Okay, all right. So this way we can assess the element. Now the basic method. So we have a lot of method in it, but these are the basic things. These are the basic method, that is push, pop, shift and unshift. Push is, it will add the element at the end of the array. Okay, let's say we are writing here arr1 dot push. Let's write 10. Let's push 10 in the arr1 array. It will push element at the end. Let's say we want last element. Okay, so let's say we pop it. We'll use pop method. We have 9, and we can print this array as well. It will not have 9. So we have 9 here in last element. Pop it out from last, and we have only these 3 elements. Okay, now let's use this shift method. So shift method will remove element from the start. Okay, let's say first element. Let's print it. We can see here this array don't have 2, and we we just move element from beginning, and that is a true. Okay, let's say we want to add element in the beginning, so we will use unshift. Okay, and let's say we want to add first, like we want to add 1. So what we can do, we can write it here like this. Let's run. Yeah,